Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to perform a long running task on a background thread which is different from the main UI thread in Android in Sketchware. So here I have this app which does the task of getting frames from a video, and the code which it uses is here. This is the code which is used to get the frames from the video. Now if we have to perform this task in background, we have to do this. First we have to put this code, means first we have to define an executor service by writing java.util.concurrent.executors.new single thread executor. Then we have to define a handler, new handler looper.get main looper, and then we have to write executor.execute new runnable at override public void run, and after this we can put the codes which are to be executed in background. So that's why after this I have put these codes which get the frames from video. And once we have performed the background task, then we have to use this handler.post new runnable at override public void run. Here we can put the codes which are to be executed after the background task is over. So after I have received all the frames from the video, I display them in a grid view by using this code. So first I put this code, then I perform the task in background, then I put this code, and after this I display the frames in grid view, and then I close this. The first code will close handler.post new runnable, and the second one will close this executor.execute new runnable. So suppose we have to display a progress bar while the task is running. So for that I'll show you how to do that. First I will add a progress bar here. Here is a progress bar. This is progress bar 1. Now in onCreate I will make it gone, progress bar 1 set visible gone. Now after this, while this task is executed, now before executing the task I will make this progress bar visible. So this means that before this code I will make progress bar 1 visible, then I will put this executor code executor.execute, and then I will put the code to be executed in background. After this I will put handler.post new runnable at override public void run, and after this I will make the progress bar 1 gone. So first it will display the progress bar, then it will do the task in background, and then the progress bar 1 will be gone once the task is over, and then we close this using this code. So that's all. Now let's check this. So here is the app. Now when I select a video, suppose I select this one, it will show the progress bar while it is getting frames from the video in the background, and once it receives all the frames, then the progress bar will be gone and it will display the frames in a grid view. So here you can see that now the progress bar is gone and it displays the frames in this grid view. So that's all in this video. I hope this was useful. Codes are available at the link provided in description. Thank you very much for watching this.